Folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Rubidoux Creek Outdoors. I'm glad y'all are tuned in. I know it's been a long time. I've done several shorts, when I got an opportunity. It don't take very long to do those, but it has been completely chaotic. It could always be worse. However, I've been extremely busy. I had switched jobs, which I've been warning. I think I put in some prior videos that warning that was going to happen, and it has. I'm hoping things will slow down a little bit after here in a couple more weeks. Probably never will slow down, but if it'll slow down just a little bit, that would be awesome. But I mean, I put in 12 to 14 hours a day, and it's hard to come home and either help start cook supper or other things. I know that the days are longer, which is, I like it to a degree, as far as daylight, because me and Kojak's gonna start doing a little bit of workout programs. I know, it's like, where do you find the energy? Well, I'm trying to slim up, and I do workouts once, sometimes most of them twice a day, but I'm gonna start doing them at least 2 or 3 times during the week with Kojak. Him and his mom's gonna get out and do their walking or running or whatever. But I'm gonna start doing a little bit of weights with him. Because I think he said he may play football, JV football next year. So we'll try to start him now. That way, hopefully he'll be somewhat ready when that time comes for tryouts. So anyway, and it's just healthy, right? So we're going to start doing that. But like I said, it's hard to fit in time. So my goal is if I can make one good video once a week, I mean, that's sufficient enough. There's a lot of channels that do that. And, as long as it's somewhat quality, right, over quantity. But I'll try to slip some shorts in there, here and there. But it's just hard to commit. It's just, there's only so much time in the day. And I'm usually mentally and sometimes physically drained by the time I get home. Just with the nature of the job that I'm doing, and it's crazy. But I'm still 5'11" above ground, and that's a plus. So we look at it that way. I know there's a lot of crazy things going on in the world. Only I would say, I was thinking of the ostrich. Supposedly sticks her head in the sand, right? Only an ostrich would assume there ain't nothing going on in the world, but it is what it is at this point. We only can control what we can control, unfortunately, and that means getting out and registering to vote. Do it while you can, because when we can't, then we can't, right? So please get out and vote for your local, state, and federal ballots, okay? So enough on that. But hey, we got 2 knives. I got 2 knives that we're going to clean. They're really not in bad shape, but I want to clean them. Because I want to be able to show and tell at a later on event that I plan on attending. Hopefully it all works out. And we're going to meet up with the Missouri Knife Club members, and we're going to go to a major event, and that is coming around the corner. So hopefully it will turn out. I'll try to make sure I have all my stuff ready to go, and hopefully it turns out to be a good event. Even if it's a little bit rainy, that's okay, as long as there's not tornadoes or lightning. I'm planning on having a canopy and a table and some chairs and stuff, and yeah, we'll make it work, right? There's a will, there is a way. But hey, let's get to these knives. I do appreciate everybody sticking with me. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. It helps us out deeply. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but like I said, I've already said that piece. And but enough talking, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you all these knives. Y'all hold tight. All right, so we see what we have. I honestly, I'd have to go back and look, but I got both of these in some Whatnot channels auctions, and then some of my buddies were in it as well. Of course, you get hyped up, and y'all know how that goes. Rest is history. But yeah, so this knife right here, I didn't have one. I'm a big Remington person. I love Remington. I love their weapons, their firearms, and I love their knives. And I know a lot of the Remington knives are made by different well-known companies, which is fine, but it still has the Remington logo on it, and that's fine with me, right? So, but this one, I got it thinking it was a case. And the guy selling did say He really wasn't sure. And I can't find case road on there anyway. It looks like it's high carbon steel. It's not stainless. It's just polished up a little bit. But it has some wear right down here on the tang. And he said he could see a C in there. I can't see it yet. I'm not going to put this on the fiber wheel because it's really not that bad. We're just going to clean it up, and I am going to put a little bit of polish on it, get some of the stains out maybe. But like I said, it's not enough rote on this tang right here. I don't know if I can get the camera to focus, but I just can't see it. I did pay up on it. I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it. I mean, it wasn't nothing stupid crazy, but of course you get in those bidding wars and then the hype gets up. But knife's in really good shape. The bone's really, really nice. The blades, tail ain't been whittled down. It's got good snap. So I'm going to carry it. Like I said, I don't know who makes it. It does look like a Slimline Trapper single blade, but there's no pattern numbers on it. I really don't know who makes it. It's wore off. If anybody out there that thinks they know what it is, hey, feel free to drop in the comments section. But like I said, I know there's some case experts out there. I never said I'm an expert. I said I'm a professional, but I'm never an expert on this. So feel free to reach out and let me know. But it's got good snap. Y'all can hear it right there. I mean, I'm going to carry it. It looks good. It feels good. I bought it. I'm going to carry it, but I want to kind of clean it up a little bit, right? Just give it a little bit of dignity, whoever made it. I'm going to, like I said, it looks like a case, but I don't know. This one, this is probably the jewel out of the group. And this looks like it ain't hardly ever been worn or used. I mean, it almost looks like it's still got the factory edge on it. Like it ain't hardly been used. I'm not going to put a fiber wheel on it because it has the engraving in here. I'm just going to see if I can take some flits. See if I can clean it up a little bit lightly, not get crazy with it. But y'all can see right there, there's a pattern number. I'll look it up, and I don't have it memorized, but it'll be somewhere on the screen. We'll see what the date is on it. And yeah, but it's got good snaps, easy open. But what's the deal is it's easy open here, but the long thumbnail pull right there is back here. So it's pretty interesting, but hey, I guess you can reach up here and get a, grip of it as well. But it's got good snap. Like I said, I don't think it hardly ever was used. It's probably just put up somewhere and it got patina in it. So, but yeah, hopefully, I don't think it was ever repaired. Looks, if it was, it was a good job, but we're going to clean it up. It's like a black synthetic. And we're going to go from there. But like I said, it's a nice knife. And these old Remingtons are hard to come by. So we're going to try to fix it up. But yeah, let's get to it. Found the knife. It's right here. This has a different badge in it. But they came with different badges. Depends on the year. But I did measure it. It is 3 5/8. It's easy open swell end jack, black composition. That's what it is right there. So black composition. But that's it right there. Let's see over here. See, they don't really go. There's different patterns. They don't have the dates on it, so I guess it's kind of all over the place maybe. But I don't know if I'm gonna have time to look it up exactly what years these are, but I'm gonna assume it's. See, they're all kind of all over the place. But Pen Blade has that stamp on it right there. Let's see it. If I can get the old camera to focus. There you go. And then we look right here. It's got the... Looks like it's... Let's see. Looks like it's this one right here. It's got the line going up under it. Right there. I may have to do some AI looking or an app or something to see. Maybe I can see what patterns. You can see they're different. There's UMC, skips around, but looks like that one's it right there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. You'll see it. So right there, which is interesting. Get the Pen Blade right here, this right here. So I don't know. Maybe that's how they did it, but it don't look like it's never been worked on. So, but yeah, but that's it right there. But let's get to the cleaning part. Alrighty, well, look at it. That bone's pretty, ain't it? Shined up real good. Look at that. I mean, like I said, they wasn't in bad shape, but it's they need a little bit of tune up. Went in and put an edge on this one right here because I plan on carrying it some, and this one I ain't touching. But it turned out nice. I got some of the scratches out. I probably keep going a little bit on this black composite, but you know what? I just got some of the junk off of it, and I'm gonna leave it as is. It's shined up. It's an old knife. Y'all can see it's hard to kind of get it just right. There you go. It's etched in there, Remington. But yeah, cleaned up really, really good. Clean in there. A little bit of oil, but like I said, this one I put a little bit of edge on it, and she's ready to go. Like I said, I ain't touching this one. I'm seriously don't think it's, if it was sharpened, I mean, I think it still got the factory edge on it. Or somebody carried it, it was pretty sharp when they got it, and then just maybe used it a few times and put it up. That's where I think the life of that one is. And this one ain't probably far from it. But like I said, I didn't want to put the fiber wheel. I probably could on this one to get some of the scratches out, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna carry it. So it's clean enough for me. So yeah, well, there we go. Appreciate y'all watching. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the support. Like I said, me and Kojak, we greatly appreciate it. Hopefully y'all stay safe out there. And like I said, if you're new to the channel, hey, go help us out. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. So when we do post a video, if it's a short or a regular video, you'll get notified, and you can scroll on over there when you got the opportunity and click on it. You know what I'm saying? And watch it. But like I said, we got tons of videos out there, all different topics, a lot of cleaning knives, some repairs, a lot of just tuning the knives up because they probably were forgotten somewhere and they needed some love, and that's what we gave it. So thank you for all the support, and y'all stay safe out there. And like I always say, y'all stay positive, stay motivated, and for sure, stay vigilant out here in this crazy world. And hopefully we will see you next time. Y'all take care, all right?